Dogecoin cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here truly will especially give you the 10 years definite cost expectations for Dogecoin in an unobtrusive way. The Dogecoin has rapidly acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers truly are interested in looking through the inquiries like is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Is Doge genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they thought. What will generally be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030 in a significant way? How high might Dogecoin at any point go incredibly? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Dogecoin expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized investigation to principal certainly past cost graphs. Dogecoin extremely past value examination amazingly. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense is 7 cents, and Doge truly is at present in every practical sense position number 8 in the by and large whole crypto market. The core supply of Doge certainly is 132,670,764,300 with a market cap of $10,302,099,276 in truly most recent 24 hours, or so they thought, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost especially has shown an especially decent increment of 3.04% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Dogecoin certainly was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 10.05%. Doge truly has shown exceptionally kind of solid potential, and this could be for the most part great chance to sort of dive right in and in a real sense contribute. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of Doge has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, dispensing with an incredible especially normal cost of 1 cent from its certainly current cost, which sort of is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change is around 0.58%, and the cost explicitly coursed from a fundamentally least truly normal worth of 7 cents to kind of most extreme normal worth of 7 cents in the by and large beyond 90 days. Dogecoin value figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030. We generally anticipate future Doge cost expectations. Dogecoin estimates by applying profound counterfeit learning specialized investigation on the authentic value information of Dogecoin. We truly are in every practical sense best to generally gather exceptionally most extreme verifiable information for the Dogecoin, which incorporate actually numerous variables like past value, market cap, volume, and more in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you really are hoping to put resources into cryptographic money market, in a real sense try to peruse our forecasts, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023 as per our estimate. In 2023, the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at an essentially least value level of 7 cents in an unpretentious manner. The Doge cost can truly arrive at a most extreme worth of 8 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 8 cents. Dogecoin value expectation for 2024 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to basically reach at a truly least worth of 11 cents, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 14 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 11 cents in a sort of significant manner. Dogecoin value figure 2025 to 2026. The cost of Dogecoin explicitly is basically anticipated to reach at least degree of 16 cents in 2025 in a quite large manner. The Dogecoin cost can by and large arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of 19 cents with the typical cost of 17 cents all through 2025. The cost of Dogecoin is somewhat anticipated to reach at a by and large least degree of 24 cents in 2026. The Dogecoin cost can arrive at a really most extreme degree of 29 cents with the truly normal cost of 25 cents all through 2026 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge value expectation for 2027. Dogecoin cost fundamentally is figured to basically arrive at in a real sense the most minimal degree of 35 cents in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a very greatest degree of 42 cents with the very normal gauge cost of 36 cents. Doge value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Doge. In 2028, the cost of Dogecoin sort of is gauged to be at around a fundamentally least worth of 51 cents, or so they most certainly thought. The Dogecoin value worth can generally arrive at a limit of 60 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 52 cents in USD amazingly. Dogecoin value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Dogecoin in every practical sense is supposed to for the most part reach at least degree of 76 cents in 2029. The Doge cost can by and large arrive at in every way that really matters. Most extreme degree of 0.90 with the typical cost of 78 cents all through 2029, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The Doge cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.32 with the sort of typical worth of $1.09, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation for 2031. The cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at least worth of $1.51 in 2031. The Dogecoin cost could truly arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.87 with the by and large normal exchanging cost of $1.56 all through 2031. Dogecoin value expectation for 2032. Dogecoin cost generally is figured to arrive at a sort of the most reduced truly conceivable degree of $2.03 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could truly arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $2.57 with the kind of typical figure cost of $2.09 in an unpretentious manner. What is the Dogecoin cost today, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Today the cost of Dogecoin by and large is 0.078 with the market cap of $10,302,099,276.000 in an exceptionally significant manner. What will explicitly be the Doge kind of the greatest especially anticipated cost for 2023, or so they thought. In a real sense, the most elevated Doge cost for Doge is supposed to, all things considered, arrive at an especially greatest worth of 8 cents toward the finish of 2023, which is very critical. What will be the Dogecoin sort of the greatest sort of anticipated cost for 2024, which by and large is genuinely critical. The most elevated determined cost for Doge truly is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of 8 cents toward the finish of 2024. How most certainly high can Dogecoin by and large go in a for the most part significant manner? The very normal cost of Doge could in a real sense reach to 8 cents before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it certainly is assessed that the coin will effectively explicitly come to the 36 cents mark. How essentially will Dogecoin be worth in 2030? As far as cost esteem, Doge for the most part has an extraordinary potential to reach new ATHs, in opposition to mainstream thinking by and large. It for the most part is determined that Dogecoin will increment in esteem in a by and large huge way. As per genuinely numerous specialists and business examiners, Doge can stir things up around town the most elevated in every way that really matters. Conceivable cost of $2.57 till 2030, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Is Dogecoin an excellent interest in a really significant way? The Dogecoin esteem is supposed to explicitly keep on growing, as deficiency will in general in every way that really matters empower cost ascend in a fundamentally large way. The drawn-out money growth strategies in Doge essentially looks encouraging, which really is genuinely huge. As per our estimate, Dogecoin will commonly cross the 17 cents mark during the truly next 2-3 years. If it's not too much trouble, note, there basically is high gamble include to any interest in a significant manner. Just most certainly put resources into what you can really achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions. Lead the greatest examination conceivable, or so they thought.